All right, fellas. So I got it broke down inside and out. So what we got going on is p1345. It's basically camshaft crankshaft correlation code. Which is happening is this rotor is spinning. This is your distributor. This is spinning in circles. It sends your spark to this diode. If you see inside this cap, it sends the spark to these diodes. The reason you're having this code is because the timing is off. It's not directly hitting the diode. So what we have to do is pull this distributor, reinstall it, and get the spark to hit dead on with that diode while it's running. Now I took this distributor cap and I drilled some holes in it. I keep this in my toolbox just for this code. So what this allows you to do is when the truckers or the car or whatever you got this Vortec motor in is running, you're going to see the spark jumping from your rotor to your diode. Now when the car is running, you're going to see how it's off. You don't have that much play with the distributor. Normal Chevys, you got a lot of play. You can twist them, timing on up, fixing on up. Vortec, you ain't got that much room. So you really got to get the distributor in right. You might get a little play with it, but not much. So I'm finna get this car running. I'm gonna swap this cap, put it on here now so you can see what we originally lined up at, where we started off at. So the next step I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pull these wires off this cap and replace them one by one to the cap with the holes in it. Now if you guys can see, I removed the wires from the old cap, put them on my, I guess what you call it, repair cap, test cap, diagnostic cap, whatever you want to call it. So now what I'm finna do, I'm finna remove this cap, install this cap, start the vehicle. I'm gonna see my spark. Show you guys in a second. Got the cap swap, fellas. Now, try to get this on camera. But if you see that diode right there, how that spark is jumping through it, it's almost reaching at an angle. Hard to get a see how far that spark got to jump for it to reach the diode? The time is off. That's why you're getting the p1345. If I get this camera focused. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this distributor and try to readjust this timing. See if we can get it over a 2. And we should clear this check engine light. Alright. Now I pulled this distributor, I moved it over 1, 2. I'll do another video on how to pull a distributor, drop the top dead center. That's a whole nother process. If you don't know how to do that, you shouldn't be doing this. But I'll do that in another video. And so what we're gonna do now, you can see that spark. You see that's about a 1/4 inch. That spark got to travel to that diode. We want to close that gap. Your camshaft, crankshaft is trying to read that jump and it's having a problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to twist this distributor. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm twisting the wrong way. Barely twisted it, even started up better. The Let's see if we can close this gap a little more. Twist. Ooh, it smooths it out real good. You heard that, fella? Now you see how short that gap is on that spark? Shooting straight across. Let's see if we can close it a little more. Directly to the diode. That's what you want. That's what you want. Motor sound better. You can see it jumping to that number 1 cylinder. This is the number 1 cylinder. It's going straight to the diode. Before it was coming in from this way. It was shooting it from this way. Now we're going from the center straight to the diode. Now I'm gonna put everything back together. See if this code is clear. Now I got it timed. You can see it's going straight to the diode. It's not coming in from the side no more. It's going straight to the diode. Straight to the diode. I hope this helps. Clear p1345, no scan tube. Look at that. Didn't even have to clear it. Cleared itself. We're gonna test drive it, make sure it don't come back for the customer. Do a good job. So after getting it retimed, this thing's running a lot smoother. Just had a check engine light pop up, and I'm sure it's the map sensor. I don't have the map sensor hooked up. So, as you can see, time is on. We're gonna get the front put back together, get this doghouse put back in, give it a couple test drives, make sure we'll have no more issues with this p1345 code, and deliver the van to the customer. Thank you all for tuning in. Like the channel, subscribe. See you on the next episode.